Okay, say we got a heavy-duty ladder rack. Fits full-size trucks with the 8-foot bed. It's in decent shape. It's got some age on it, and it's been used a little bit. It's got some rust spots on there, but it's not bad. Has some beacon lights that probably work, or may not. We don't check any of that stuff, but probably, I would probably say they work. Got the base plates that clamp on to the truck bed. On both sides here. And then this one's nice because it's got the ratchet straps right here. So you can put your ladder racks or lumber or whatever on there and then strap it down. It's got the additional center support in here. Got a ratchet strap in the front. Got a fire extinguisher holder if you need that. Wiring for all the beacons and stuff, and speaker is all there. And like I said, I don't know if any of this stuff works or not. We don't check any of that stuff. So if it works, it's a bonus for you. Cabover rack, so it goes over the cab. These lights take a remote. We never get the remotes to these. Somebody told me some of those you can wire directly and then just on, so then you can just turn it wherever you want it to be, and that's just be wherever the light shines at all times. Heavy duty steel rack. Heavy duty steel rack fits the full size trucks, 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link. See which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available online as well. So you can click that link, type in a search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for used stuff, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in, so you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps and used stuff like this, we do not ship this. You'll need to make arrangements to pick this up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.